Do a lawyer's reviews mean anything? Here, I'll give you a tip. One really important thing when you research the best lawyer for your case is to look at their reviews. And specifically, what you want to look for is whether the law firm is good at communicating with their clients. The number one complaint is that the law firm does not get back to the client. They don't communicate well. Look at these reviews and see, are there problems at this law firm with client communication? And you'll see complaints in 1 stars, 2 stars, that the clients just don't hear back from their lawyer. That's a critical part of communication. So look at the reviews carefully, judge that. The most important thing you can do in finding the right lawyer for their case, look at their website. Do they specialize in an area of law, or do they do lots of things? Do they do personal injury, criminal defense, maybe even family law? That's not good. You want a law firm that specializes in the area of law of your case. So just by looking at the reviews, but also the website, you'll find out, are they specialized in your area or general practice? The third tip would be ask people who have used that firm before. What was their experience like? Did the lawyer follow through on their promises to the client? How was the communication at the law firm? Were you dealing with one of the partners, or did one of the associates or young attorneys at the firm handle your case? Finding out from others who have had experience with the law firm is really critical. So those are 3 quick and easy tips for finding the right law firm for your case. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you write a comment, I will respond, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.